Dear learner, welcome to this session on mixers and grinders. In this session, we will delve into the functionalities, types, features, and maintenance of mixers and grinders, enabling you to make an informed decision when choosing the right appliance and steps for maintenance. In modern kitchens, mixers and grinders are indispensable appliances that simplify food preparation and enhance culinary experiences. These versatile devices have revolutionized the way we cook by streamlining various tasks, from blending ingredients for smoothies to grinding spices and nuts. What is a mixer? A mixer is a kitchen appliance designed to combine, blend, and mix various ingredients. It primarily serves as a tool for beating, whipping, and emulsifying ingredients, making it ideal for preparing dough, batters, sauces, and other culinary delights. Let us now see how many different types of mixers are there in the market. For household applications, two types of mixers are available commonly. Number one, stand mixers. These powerful stationary mixers are equipped with a mixing bowl and various attachments such as dough hooks, beaters, and wire whisks. Stand mixers are perfect for heavy-duty tasks like kneading dough and mixing thick batters. Number two, hand mixers. Portable and compact hand mixers are ideal for light mixing and blending tasks. They are convenient for small-scale recipes and come with multiple speed settings. Next, we will discuss some common features of home mixers, such as number one, speed settings. Most mixers offer multiple speed settings to cater to different recipes and ingredients. This allows you to control the mixing process and achieve the desired consistency. Number two, attachments. Stand mixers often come with interchangeable attachments like dough hooks for kneading and wire whisks for whipping. These attachments enhance the mixer's versatility and functionality. Number three, tilt head versus ball lift. Stand mixers can have either a tilt head or ball lift design. Tilt head mixers allow easy access to the bowl for adding ingredients, while bowl lift mixers are more stable and suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Very often, the mixer and the grinder come together as one entity with different attachments. Hence, now we want to discuss about the grinder after the mixer. What is a grinder? A grinder is a kitchen appliance used for grinding and pulverizing ingredients into fine particles. Grinders are commonly employed to process spices, coffee beans, nuts, and grains, among other items, to enhance the flavor and aroma of dishes. Let's now see what are the common types of grinders available in the market. They are, number one, mixer grinders. These versatile appliances combine the functionalities of mixers and grinders. In addition to grinding, they can also blend, puree, and make pastes, making them an all-in-one solution for various food preparation needs. Number 2. Burr grinders. Commonly used for coffee beans, burr grinders crush the beans between two abrasive surfaces to achieve a consistent grind size essential for brewing high quality coffee. Number 3. Blade grinders. Blade grinders are rotating blades to chop and grind ingredients. They are suitable for spices and small grinding tasks, but may result in uneven particle sizes. Let us now discuss some common features about the common household grinders, such as number 1. Grinding settings. Many grinders offer adjustable grinding settings, allowing you to control the coarseness or fineness of the grind depending on your recipe. Number 2. Safety features. Grinders often come with safety features like locking mechanisms to prevent accidental usage and avoid injury. Number 3. Capacity. Grinder capacity varies depending on the model. Consider the volume you need for your cooking requirements before selecting a grinder. Alright, dear learner, before proceeding ahead with the next topic, let us now do some self-check by answering the following questions. Okay, now since you have answered the questions, we proceed ahead to the next topic on the maintenance of mixtures and grinders. Maintenance of mixtures and grinders involve several steps such as cleaning to maintain the hygiene and longevity of the mixture and grinder. Number 1. Unplug the appliance before cleaning. Number 2. For mixtures, detach the attachments and wash them separately. Number 3. Use warm soapy water and sponge to clean the exterior and attachments. Number 4. Grinders can be cleaned by pulsing rice grains or bread pieces to remove leftover particles and odors. The next step for proper maintenance is storage. Store your mixture and grinder in a dry and clean place away from moisture and dust. Keep the cords neatly wound to prevent damage. Alright, dear learner, summarizing our discussions so far, we can say that mixture and grinder appliances play a crucial role in modern kitchens, simplifying food preparation and elevating the overall cooking experience. By understanding the different types, features, and maintenance aspects of mixtures and grinders, you can confidently choose the right appliance to suit your culinary needs and preferences. Regular maintenance and proper usage will ensure your mixer and grinder serve you well for years to come, making them valuable additions to your kitchen arsenal. Let's try to understand the basic working mechanisms of mixtures and grinders. Mixtures and grinders are indispensable kitchen appliances that have simplified food preparation and enhanced cooking experiences. These versatile devices serve different purposes, with mixers primarily used for blending and mixing, while grinders are designed for grinding and pulverizing various ingredients. In this part, we will explore the working mechanisms of mixers and grinders, delving into their components and processes that make them indispensable tools in modern kitchens. Working mechanism of mixers. A mixer is designed to blend and mix different ingredients to achieve uniformity and consistency in a recipe. Whether it's kneading dough, whipping cream, or preparing batters, mixers come in handy for a wide range of culinary tasks. The working mechanism of mixers can be understood through the following steps. Power source and motor. Mixers are electrically powered appliances. They are equipped with an electric motor that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, driving the various mixing attachments. Speed control. Most mixers come with multiple speed settings to control the rotation speed of the motor. The speed control allows users to adjust the mixing process according to the ingredients and recipe requirements. Mixing bowl. The mixing bowl is an essential component of the mixer. It holds the ingredients and provides a stable base for the attachments to work efficiently. In some mixers, the bowl is detachable, allowing easy access to the mixer. Working process. When a mixer is turned on, the electric motor drives the selected attachment at the desired speed. The attachment rotates inside the mixing bowl, mixing and blending the ingredients thoroughly. The shape and design of the attachments facilitate efficient mixing and incorporate air to achieve the desired texture. Okay, dear learner, we will now discuss the working mechanism in detail for the grinders. Grinders are specialized appliances used to pulverize and grind ingredients into fine particles. They are commonly employed for processing spices, coffee beans, nuts, and grains. Understanding the working mechanism of grinders involves the following steps. Power source and motor. Similar to mixers, grinders are powered by an electric motor that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, driving the grinding components. Grinding components. The key grinding component in grinders is the grinding chamber or container where the ingredients are placed for processing. The grinding chamber may consist of either burrs or blades depending on the type of grinder. Burr grinders. These grinders feature two abrasive surfaces or burrs positioned closely together. The ingredients, such as coffee beans, are crushed and ground between these burrs, resulting in a consistent grind size. Blade grinders. Blade grinders use rotating blades to chop and grind ingredients into fine particles. The grinding consistency may not be as precise as in burr grinders, but they are suitable for small-scale grinding tasks. Grinding settings. Many grinders offer adjustable grinding settings, allowing users to control the coarseness or fineness of the grind based on their preferences or recipe requirements. This feature ensures versatility and adaptability for different culinary needs. Working process. When a grinder is activated, the electric motor drives either the burrs or blades into action. The ingredients placed in the grinding chamber come into contact with the grinding component, and through repeated contact and friction, they are pulverized into the desired particle size. Mixers and grinders are versatile kitchen appliances with distinct working mechanisms. Mixers effectively blend and mix ingredients, making them ideal for preparing dough, batters, and sauces. On the other hand, grinders pulverize and grind various ingredients, enhancing the flavor and aroma of dishes. Understanding the working mechanisms of mixers and grinders enables users to maximize the potential of these appliances in their culinary endeavors and enjoy the convenience and efficiency they bring to the kitchen. At this point, let us now do a self-test by attempting the following questions. Alright, dear learner, next we move on to the topic on technical guidance for repairing mixers and grinders. Mixers and grinders are valuable kitchen appliances that simplify food preparation and elevate the cooking experience. However, like any mechanical device, they may encounter issues or breakdowns over time due to regular wear and tear. Knowing how to troubleshoot and repair these appliances can save you time and money. In this part, we will guide you through the process of repairing common problems in mixers and grinders, ensuring your appliances remain in optimal working condition. However, it is important to note that before attempting any repairs, always disconnect the appliance from the power source to ensure safety. Troubleshooting common mixer problems. Number 1. Mixer not turning on. Potential causes may be power cord or plug issues, faulty switch, motor problems. Repairing steps are: check the power cord and plug for any visible damage. If there is a damage, replace the cord or plug as necessary. Number 2, test the switch using a multimeter to determine if it's working correctly. Replace the switch if it's faulty. Number 3, if the motor is the issue, it's best to seek professional assistance, as motor repairs may require specialized tools and expertise. The next problem may be mixer running at only one speed. Potential causes may be faulty speed control mechanism, wiring issues. Repairing steps would be: number 1, inspect the speed control mechanism for any obstructions or damaged components. Clean or replace the speed control switch if necessary. Number 2, examine the wiring for loose connections or damage. Repair or replace damaged wires and connectors. Another problem may be attachments not rotating properly. Potential causes may be worn or damaged attachments, misaligned attachment connections. Repairing steps would be: number 1, Inspect the attachments for signs of wear or damage. Replace worn or damaged attachments with new ones. Number 2. Ensure the attachments are correctly aligned and securely attached to the mixture's head. Adjust or tighten the connections as needed. Okay then, let us next discuss the troubleshooting guidelines for common grinder problems. Number 1. Grinder not starting. Potential causes can be power supply issues, faulty power switch, motor problems. Repairing steps would be: number 1. Check the power supply and socket for any issues. If the power supply is fine, move on to the next steps. Number 2. Test the power switch using a multimeter to identify if it's faulty. Replace the switch if necessary. Number 3. If the motor is the problem, professional repair or motor replacement may be necessary. Another problem may be inconsistent grinding. Potential causes of the same may be: number 1. Dull blades in blade grinders. Number 2. Misaligned or damaged burrs in burr grinders. Repairing steps would be: number 1. For blade grinders, replace the blades if they are dull or damaged. Number 2. For burr grinders, remove and clean the burrs, ensuring they are correctly aligned before reassembly. If the burrs are significantly worn or damaged, consider replacing them. Another common problem encountered in grinders is grinder producing unusual noise or odor. Potential causes of the same may be accumulated debris or residue, damaged components. Repairing steps would be: number 1. Unplug the grinder and disassemble it for thorough cleaning. Remove any debris or residue that might be causing the issue. Number 2. Inspect the components such as blades or burrs for damage. Replace any worn or damaged parts. Alright, dear learner, thus we come to the end of the session on mixtures and grinders. Before concluding, let us do a self-check of the learning by attempting the following questions. So, dear learner, we come to the concluding part of the session now. Repairing mixtures and grinders can be a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan of these essential kitchen appliances. By understanding the common problems and troubleshooting techniques discussed in this session, you can confidently undertake minor repairs on your own. However, for more complex issues or motor-related problems, it's always best to seek professional help to ensure safety and proper restoration of the appliance. Regular maintenance, proper cleaning, and prompt repairs will keep the mixtures and grinders functioning efficiently. Dear learner, hope you will now be able to confidently handle the common technical maintenance issues related to mixtures and grinders. Please do not forget to post your questions and queries on the same. Thank you.